It's the Matt and Aunie Early Bird Special on
Talk 99.5 Birmingham.
Give it to me. Do it.
This is going to be a long morning.
You go. It's Facebook Live. David, good morning.
Good morning.
David hit. Okay, so David hit. No, you come back here.
I got work.
He's busy.
No, poke your head in here and tell him what you did.
I hit off instead of snooze.
All been there, done that.
Off instead of snooze.
That was the best few minutes of sleep you got.
Oh, my Lord.
That, waking up and realizing that you're late and a dog starting to vomit. Two things that'll yank you out of... Well, there's a third thing. I don't want to get into it, but it involves an upset stomach.
What? You were in my house.
Nothing. Three things that'll get you out of bed faster than...
You don't need to bring things up this morning that I might...
Your buddy told me.
I might spill the beans.
You know, if you hear this at the end of the bed.
So here's the deal. Hey, good morning, everyone. Hey, good morning. These people are crazy.
Trying to get the
Look, John Burke, get your face in there and say good morning.
Good morning. I don't feel good.
John
My
doesn't
stomach
feel
hurts.
good. John has irritable bowel syndrome.
Don't tell everybody.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So here's what happened. My friend called me today, this morning early, and he said, "Murph, you won't believe what happened." Yeah, my friend's been losing weight, and he's been really focused.
Away, really.
He's been focused on his diet, and he didn't get a lot of sleep last night. My buddy didn't.
Irresponsible buddy.
And my friend said,
You know.
he said, "Murphy, do you have that gas station that makes those delicious sausage, egg, cheese biscuits?" And I was like, yeah, I know what you're talking about. And he goes, "Man, I drove by that and I wanted to pull in there so bad and get one,
Near Helena.
but I didn't.
It was near Helena.
I didn't."
And then your buddy called you back.
And then my buddy called me back and he said, "Have you been to Hardee's lately?"
Right down the street from your station?
Apparently at Hardee's, my friend told me that they're now making these, they do the Frisco with the
Is that like a Texas
toast deal.
Texas toast is good no matter where.
But they
If you put that on a buffet at Golden Corral, every day it'd be there.
But then he said they're now doing it with fried cheese. So if they make
That's healthy. It's
fried cheese, egg. So a bacon, egg, cheese sandwich
just that alone
is not good enough anymore.
No.
Now it's bacon, egg, and fried cheese on buttery.
A pillow of fried cheese, crunchy on the outside.
And my buddy said it was so good.
Your buddy ate that thing in it's 2 minutes
said-
to drive from Hardee's to here.
My buddy does not work here, honey. My buddy works.
His name is Rat Rurfy.
My buddy, Fat Furby, does not. He works elsewhere, and he does not appreciate you.
I think we've all lost it.
He said that it was so good when he took 2 or 3 bites in the parking lot looking at his coworkers on the 3rd floor.
You mean I could have gazed out this window and seen your buddy engaged in this kind of irresponsible activity?
You don't work with my friend. My friend works with Connie Clindenberg. It's been a long week, everybody.
I'm gonna need some backup in studio. I think I look like Freddy Krueger in this shirt. I look from the Freddy Krueger spring.
If I had $1 for every
springwear
time I thought
collection.
that Lindenberg looks just like the old Freddy Krueger.
Look at there, like it's from his spring collection.
It's like when Freddy Krueger goes on vacation.
Cruise wear.
Yeah, he's
It's the Freddy Krueger.
chilling out at the beach.
Wait,
Yeah,
they're closed.
his little, you know, his little hand gloves like draped over the.
50 SPF, babe.
You see his little
Yeah.
his little knife hand, you know, around the wine cooler.
Is this beach
delicious.
closed? Oh, I didn't know. Yeah. All right, so it only took us a week to lose our minds in the midst of this pandemic. I hope you all are doing better than we are.
My buddy says his belly hurts.
Yeah. He said not all it's going to
Because
hurt.
he
Give it
said,
about
my
20
buddy
minutes.
said that he
You're gonna need
has
that.
not eaten the fried foods lately. That's what my buddy told me.
Here's what's about to happen. The toilet paper giveaway that we're so excited about is about to be put in use.
Oh dear, John left. Oh no.
My
Sorry, John.
my coworkers are in a diminished capacity.
Yeah. So not a lot of sleep going on, and yeah.
Laughing
what-
so hard you started coughing. Y'all been on the wine tour already? No, but I think that's an excellent idea, team.
Mm.
Wuhan flu, we're all in it together, separately. Yep, I saw
Y'all
that.
should. It's called the BFC. My friend told me. I guess it's
We
the
need a meet and
bacon
greet.
fried cheese.
I don't. The fried cheese thing is amazing.
It's fascinating.
I just want y'all to see the cruise wear. He made extra stretchy armholes and.
Listen,
Viva
we've got to
la
go. We've
resistance.
got to go do a radio show now.
All right, everyone. I know this started off really goofy, but we got all the
We got all the
deets.
details.
I'm gonna finish it because I hear our show open.
God love you, all of you.